Boston's news leader. This is WCVB News Center 5.
Hello, I'm meteorologist Mike Wonkum as we begin to wind up this storm system moving in. 26 degrees right now in Boston. It's cold out there, and there's that northeasterly wind starting to freshen now, leading us to this. This is the blizzard warning, which goes into effect at 7 o'clock tonight, goes all the way through 1 a.m. Wednesday morning. We're looking at gusts perhaps close to hurricane strength and anywhere between 18 to 24 inches. I think some places will get more than that even. So this is the area that we're talking about for the blizzard warning. What's happening? Well, there's that strong storm system, and look at what these wind gusts are going to look like. 70, 60 miles per hour through the South Shore, 50s you look around the city. So the snow that's out there is not going to be a real heavy wet snow. It's going to be pretty heavy, but not as heavy as we've seen in the past, and therefore it's going to move around a lot. So those winds are the reason we're going to be seeing the blizzard conditions out there. Obviously, we're going to be concerned about some coastal flooding at the time of high tide early on Tuesday morning. About 4:27 is the time of the high tide. Hurricane strength winds and power outages are going to be an issue as well with all the wind out there. Now, speaking of which, we have a winter storm warning for areas west. Why? Well, we think the winds will be just a little bit less, keeping us below the blizzard category. Snowfall-wise, it's going to be just as intense with snow all the way out to the west, so no one's going to get out of this. What's happening right now? We've got the storm starting to lift its way off the south coast, lifting its way northward. Now, you'll notice a few little bands up here. This is more ocean effect, but this is the main event. It's going to take a while. It's going to build in here. So you've still got a little bit of time before everything starts to come crushing in, but certainly later on tonight, it is going to get intense. Starting to see a few bands setting up around Hyannis, over towards Mattapoisett, just about to the Plymouth area. And although it doesn't show up on radar, we are picking up a little bit of light snow flurry activity here or there. You'll see it kind of in the air right now. Also, as you look down from Gloucester, through the city of Boston, right down along the Mass Pike, starting to see some snow. So what's the timeline on this? We head through the afternoon. That area to the south starts to move its way northward. Should be getting just to the Boston area around 4 o'clock. Then we start to really kind of crank things up around 8 o'clock. And certainly as we get past midnight, this is when the crushing snow starts to come in. We're talking about snowfall rates that could be 3 to 4 inches per hour. Could even be some thunder with this. That's just how intense the storm system is going to go. That's going to carry you all the way through tomorrow morning. There will not be a morning commute tomorrow. There is no school as well. There's many locations for tomorrow already canceled, and already canceled for Wednesday for some schools. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still some heavy bands out there. Remember that ferocious wind is going to be out there as well, picking up what snow is out there, moving it around. We start to wind things down as we start to talk about late tomorrow night, and then certainly as we get towards Wednesday morning, things will be calming down as well. How much snow when it's all done? Really, it's anywhere between 2 and 3 feet of snow. There will be bands setting up. We think perhaps a band right along the shoreline, perhaps one with a little bit of elevation out here to the west. But these bands could set up just about anywhere, so just prepare yourself for about 2 feet of snow. And again, a lot of wind going on with it as well. A couple things to keep in mind. Heaviest snow will be from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Could be some thunder associated with it. Strongest winds, those gusts over 60 miles per hour from about 11 p.m. tonight to about 11 p.m. on Tuesday. All day tomorrow, that wind is going to howl. And high tides, 4:30 in the morning, 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday. We're going to be looking at a storm surge out there. Both of these are going to be very dangerous tides that we'll be talking about, and the wave action just offshore, 20 to 25 feet. We're talking about waves equivalent to a 2- or 3-story home, so do be cautious about that. Of course, we're going to continue to update this. We'll be doing half-hourly weather updates, and then News Center 5 will be starting at 4 o'clock. We'll see you then, and stay safe through the storm.